Ladies and gentlemen, and adolescents of all ages, this is my alarm system. My goal was to design an ultrasonic sensor that turns 5 LEDs on and off in order when an object approaches a certain distance, which turns on a mildly annoying buzzer, this black thing over here, as you can see. My design includes multiple wires, which connects to the Raspberry Pi, this little green plastic box right here, which powers multiple devices on 2 breadboards. Yes, I couldn't find a large one, thank you. As described before, my build includes wires, ultrasonic sensor, resistors, these little bead-like things over here, if you can see, to reduce the electricity, the LEDs, or the flashing ones, as you can see later, and useless button. The program consists of several while loops, many inputs, left output functions, and plenty of nodes to remind what I did last week. The program was tested multiple times, although the main problem was always with the wiring instead of the programming itself. Rethink. Although this program was already rethunk several times during its process, if I were to rethink this again, however, I would add several more LED lights to form a more apparent pattern, or I will program the buzzer to play music. Demo!
Plug in your Raspberry Pi.
Okay, somebody need to teach? I do. Technical.
Press when he starts showing his face. 3. Show your presentation.